Hi, it's Nickest. Welcome to my Affiliate Marketing Info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a new product called The Secret. What is this product? The secret is not about the secret is the training course which will tell you how you can make money online when and make money online on eBay. Other than Amazon, there's also a ton of the buyer would list their product and sell this on Amazon. It also will get a very huge traffic level from Amazon because I think everyone will like during this data and everyone will likely to buy their stuff on Amazon. Amazon is a very big website. You can tap into their buyer traffic. But the worst part is you have to have a very huge competition with tons of seller on Amazon. This is also not easy to get free buyer traffic from this. Other than that, you can this training course is focused on eBay. That is also used other than Amazon. eBay is another platform. You can also to sell the physical product. So if you are interested in this product, you're interested in and make money online on eBay with this course, The Secret, please stay with me. I also have some exclusive bonus for you to help you to make more money online and also drive more traffic. So just to take take a look to sales better. There's also the secret hacks I use this also the vendor will help you how to learn a full-time income working only 30 minutes a day. This also just will follow the instruction. No list required. You don't have to build your email list. Just all of the way have the money inside the list. But this is also a complete different method. It also you just list your product on eBay. Anybody come to you from different traffic strategy on this platform, and you anybody interested in it and buy it, and you will get paid. So you don't have to build your email list, and no special skill that you can generate money very fast. 100% legal and legitimate. You also used only the free traffic. This is also newly vended, and you can get started today. So if you are interested in I also have some more exclusive bonus in order to help you to make more commission. So please stay with me. If you are grab the secret, I also have the bonus number one. It's a free Shopify dropshipping course. This is also step by step A to Z how you can generate, how you can build a profitable Shopify dropshipping store from scratch in 2021. This is also will help you to start your dropshipping business. Bonus number two, you will get 10 high converting campaign for you can start to sell. This is also to help you get started with physical product. Bonus number three, you will get how to find hot selling e-com item. That is also the video that will teach you how you can find more hot selling income on the internet. The bonus number four, start about Shopify dropshipping. This is with $100. There's also you can there's also how you can use the strategy when you have just for $100. It's because you tap into the just for the Shopify, you have to pay at least almost $29 monthly fee. Other than that, it has some more tools that you have to buy. But you are tight on strategy how you can start with $100. That is also the strategy that will teach you the exact strategy how you can do it. How can you do that when you have more profit? You can invest some of the profit into other pay ads, something like Facebook ad or Google ad in order to scale your income level. Bonus number five, also the training. You will have how to start your affiliate marketing business in 2 hours. Other than the physical e-commerce business, if you are interested in get started as the newbie vendor as the affiliate marketing business, you should promote other people the product, and anybody that purchased and you will get commission. There's also commission. At least 50% commission. Some of them click banner will have 75. Some of if you have some 75% commission. This also you can get started with that just for 2 hours. Bonus number 6 you will get you can join a Facebook group for free traffic training. Traffic is the most important thing. If you go to the online business, no matter is all your affiliate marketing or e-commerce, traffic is most important. But if you are tight on budget, you can join this Facebook group and get started with they also provide free training course weekly. So I highly no matter what level you have, if you are newbie, intermediate or advanced, they also welcome you they also welcome you to join their Facebook group. And the best part you will get a free traffic training. Bonus number 7 you will get 4 traffic free traffic super hack. How you can get more free traffic to daily traffic. Bonus number 8 you will how to get 1,000 Instagram follower in 3 days. There's also the Instagram is owned by Facebook. Other than that, model many successful Instagram users are over 100 and even 1 million Instagram follower. It's also focused on how to build your business and especially e-commerce business, and you can see all over in the Instagram. So if you are interested in this platform, if you have more Instagram followers, this is also you can have more free traffic from this free buyer traffic on this Instagram social media platform. So you should not underestimate this power. So all of my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Pass. Before the countdown timer hits 0, simply click the link below in the description. The first link will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, when you practice any blue button, it will go through the sales page. You pick up the fund and you will get all my exclusive bonus. But I also will wait to you and what but please stay with me. I also will wait to you inside the members area what you will get. Okay, inside the members area, there's also we will have a welcome message. There's also you can register the free webshop and also you can access to Dom and support. Is also the vendor and he will teach you more about the e-commerce especially in eBay and also you can get a bonus 27K PDF. Now gets to back to the training. It also have a very keen training you can easily to understand. Module 1 introduction. Module 2 choosing the products and also how you can choose the product for your how to start your eBay business. Module 3 is buying a auction. There's also how you can source product from this method. The first offer is module 3 about this platform auction. Module 4 is local wholesaler. Module 5 is automatic sourcing from China. It's also you can tap into the 3 different methods, 3 different sources and auction, local auction, local wholesaler, and also the sourcing for China. If you are in the big money order, sometimes you can I think you should know that for sourcing for China is AliExpress, Alibaba. You can have the source very cheap product on this platform. The module 6 is all of the eBay mobile app. Also you can and how you can how you can list your product on eBay and also you can download the eBay mobile app eBay mobile app is also completely free and you can with everyone has the mobile so you can easily to organize and your eBay business at your hand Module 7 is ranking tips. How you can make your product to rank more higher. That is when you have more higher ranking. There is also the possibility such the similar application to Google. If you have more higher ranking in some particular keyword, you can if you rank your page 1, that is also you can easily more people to see it as also to increase your sales conversion. Module 8 the secret. This also are some of the secret how you can make how you can improve your result, and also you can easily to make more money. Module 9 is also the conclusion. This is also what is the summary, and also you can get the extra bonus. That is also what you will get, and inside the members area you can. This is also the pretty and easy. Please stay with me. I also will read to you what are the price and upsell as well. Okay, just the front end is the very affordable and easy. You can just for $9.90, but you don't tell anyone about it because when you exit you will have the pop up and you will get a discount. The discount is very unbelievable. It's also you will have get this training cost 15% off. You have $4.95 just for $5, and you can get this awesome. This is also the amazing training course, and you can get started with your eBay business just for under $5. This is all unbelievable. So I highly recommend you can get it, but don't tell anyone. You can exit. Also, you can get 15% off for this training course, and you can use this to increase your side hustle because you can work any time as a side hustle and you can just downsell for $4.95. The optional one that I highly recommend you can grab it because the number one is $27. They also have $70 downsell. You will get over the shoulder, but you also know how you can multiply your secret profit with your advanced feature and also included profit maximizing software. That is also another software that will help you to maximize your profit. And what is the benefit? You will get to find the best selling and trend these niches for you. That's also you can help you to make more profit on this eBay platform with this software just for one-time payment $70 downsell. Option number 4 is license $67, $47. This is also a very unique because this is also because they also limits to the 15 series market only. So you can also to sell it and also you can also grab this $47 one-time payment and you can also to sell it as your own and keep 100% commission. Option number 3 is mastermind. $97, $67. And also I also recommend you grab it because you will get a weekly coaching call for 12 weeks. And you can also have a money list on how you can make full-time income and also you can have a weekly training course how you can because you will go to with them and how you can have a 6-figure internet marketer. You can how find a hot secret niche. There's a hot list. You can also how to find the not niche, why niche, what is the product. You will have an ongoing about 12 week and weekly coaching call. There's also will help you increase your result from this platform eBay business. So I highly recommend you can grab this $67 for mastermind because you will have a weekly coaching call for 12 weeks. This is also equal to 3 months. This is also unbelievable. Option number 4 VIP bundle. This is also $27. This is also my mistake. I just also have a $27. They also come with a downsell. It's the $70. This is also my mistake. $70 just for $70. And also you can grab into the 5 just for one time very low cost just for $70. You will get 5 different training courses if you get just for one. It's impossible to get one course for just $70. But if you have just for the downsell $70, you have 5 different training courses that is also to help you to make money on with different platform and traffic. This is also increase your result. So I highly recommend you grab option number 4 VIP bundle. Option number 5 you have unlimited traffic 197, 147, and you can add to your. This also you can pay your pixel and you also have Lisa target audience. Also you can get much more cheaper pennies. So I think this also you can also to pay your pixel on your Facebook or on Google. This is also you can have much more buyer traffic and you can also have the retarget. If you don't know what is retargeting, you can go to Google or YouTube. You can search what is the retargeting. There's also a tons of video that will teach you how you can do the retargeting from Facebook and Google. It's also very cheap and also you can also and it is also a Facebook puzzle and Facebook puzzle. It also can retargeting for Facebook for 365 days. Also you can get much more retargeting in audience. Also, but just for 147, this is also you can more traffic and you can make more sales. This also you can have grab it for 147. But if you, in my opinion, if you are type budget, I also how you grab it for the front end. You can downsell 497. If you pick up exit and advanced training $70upsell number 1 and upsell number 3 mastermind downsell for $67 If you want to have more training you can grab VIP upsell number 4 VIP bundle for 5 different training course for $27 $70嘅 downsell this is also my mistake downsell $70 you will get access to 5 different training course and software training course So lastly, I also recap what my exclusive bonus for you The bonus number 1 you will get a free Shopify Shopify drop shipping course Bonus number 2 you will get 10 high quality 10 hot selling e-com product And the bonus number 3 you will get how to find hot selling e-com item And the bonus number 4 bonus number 4 excuse me just for a moment The bonus number 4 you will get how you can start a drop shipping business $100 The bonus number 5 you will get my free training start your affiliate marketing business under 2 hours And bonus number 6 you can join the Facebook group for free training course Bonus number 7 you will get my 4 free traffic super hack Bonus number 8 you will get how you can get 1,000 Instagram follower in 3 days All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the WordPress Plus before the countdown timer hits 0 Simply click the link below in the description The first link will come to my bonus page When you come to the bonus page and you will go through the sales page of the sales page of secret When you pick up the front end you will get all my exclusive bonus But in my opinion I highly recommend you can grab the upsell number 1 upsell number 1 unlimited upsell number 3 and you will get there are pixel mastermind and option number 4 option number 3 mastermind option number 4 is about the 5 training course and also you can also if you the last upsell you can also to tap into the page your Facebook pixel and get unlimited audience for 1 year and you can also to be retargeting for very cheap Facebook ad So this is also what I highly recommend you can grab upsell So thanks for taking time to check out the secret review and bonus Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel have other playlists included the multiple stream of income make money online tips marketing tips And also don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie I also included the 2 training course 2 additional training 1 free report and 5 exclusive website all of the website will help you to make more money online So don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel See you